After the Sun Pyramid was built probably by about 150 AD to its present enormous size, or almost as large as it's ever got, they started work on another pyramid, the third largest pyramid, the so-called Temple of Quetzalcoatl, which is inside a huge enclosure, it's got platforms around it, so this whole Ciudadela complex, which is about 1,200 feet on a side, that huge square was itself an enormous amount of work just building that. And inside it was this so-called Temple of Quetzalcoatl, which is quite a bit smaller than the Sun and Moon pyramids, but unlike them, it's all covered with carved stone. These three-dimensional carved stone images of feathered serpents and other creatures that we still don't entirely know what they are. So eventually the Temple of Quetzalcoatl was also took in a way an enormous amount of labor, although again just a small percentage of the annual effort that went into everything else to do with simply living. And then maybe about 250 AD, the Temple of Quetzalcoatl was burnt. The stone parts themselves weren't burned, although they were heated so much that the stone actually cracked. And there was a temple on top it, atop the Temple of Quetzalcoatl pyramid that was demolished, and there was another big platform built in front of it that didn't entirely hide the whole thing, but it hid most of the front of it, and that is built not so much out of stone, it's mostly built out of earth, and with a concrete plastered facing over it. And that's the pyramid that, well, you see both pyramids there today because the archaeologists dug a channel sort of between the old pyramid and the later platform, and you can see both of them now.